what are we doing? Maybe this is the way to ask it, to ensure that as a viewer, I get to appreciate the full breadth of that performance versus individual moments.
No, I agree with you. I think from a competitive standpoint in up here, it's like you're performing for the judges mostly because those are the people that are scoring you. But I 100% agree with you. It should be 360. At any point, at anybody on the side of the street should be able to see your performance and get it. But it shouldn't just be like one spot. It shouldn't be just down the street. It shouldn't just be the judges. Like I fully believe in that. It's a show for the public. The public should be able to see you at any angle.
And some of the best bands in NorCal and in SoCal understand placement of ensemble is the most important part in winning, because you need to have a balanced sound from the beginning of the parade route all the way to the end.